Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Luxe Angel, and today I have a long overdue video. I don't know what's been going on. Well, I know what's been going on. Just regular mom life, running around with children. But normally, after I get a handbag, I do a what's in my bag video, just so you can get an idea of what you can carry in a bag. Now, I have had this beauty. This is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the My World Tour edition, with the black trim and the red interior, and I've had this ever since October of 2021, and it is now pretty much May. Tomorrow will be May of 2022, and I have not done a what's in my bag video, so I apologize for the wait. If any of you guys were waiting on this, here we go today. So here she is. I have the strap on her. Sometimes I don't have the strap on. I have it rolled up and put into the bag, so I may show you guys what that's like also. Everything that I need, all my daily essentials, fits into this bag, so let's go ahead and see. Now, this is actually what I really do carry. This is not oh, let me just test things out so you can see. This is what I really do carry every day in my bag, so let's just get started. Here is the interior. And first of all, I always have my sunglasses. I live in a place that even when it's like cold outside, it is pretty sunny. So I have my Prada 010s in a soft case. I prefer a soft case because it's easier to fit into bags. As you can see, you can just throw it right on the top. So I have my sunglasses. I have my keys. These are my keys, my trusty dusty Coach 6-ring key case, and my car seat opener for when I have my lovely nails done. Yay! So this is a pretty big key. I have my key fob and everything like that, but it all fits. There are keys in there, but nobody cares about that, right? Oh, my little baby, my Samsung Z Flip 3. I love this because it can fit in the smallest of handbags. And as you know, the Alma BB has a very small back pocket, which pretty much almost nothing can fit in, but this baby fits right in there. Hallelujah. So if you're a mini bag lover, I highly recommend this phone because it can fold down. You can open it up and get a bigger screen, and of course that fits in there like that too, so you can get an idea of if you have a larger phone, but not necessary when you have this little baby, right? All right, and then what was in the back pocket? This is my Chanel mirror. I carry this around, of course, just in case I need to do touch-ups on my lip gloss and have that popping. All right, and this is the little bad boy that I unboxed recently. This is my Louis Vuitton, what is this? A pocket agenda. It is full. It serves as my wallet. I keep my cards, as you can see in here, and my cash. And it does fit everything in there. So that fits perfectly in there as well. No problem. And lately I have been wearing my Miss Dior. I love my Dior fragrances. I have Vanilla Diorama and Miss Dior. And I got this travel spray as a set with the Miss Dior full eau de parfum fragrance. Love it. So I carry this around when I want to touch up and spritz myself with some Miss Dior. And that clearly fits perfectly as well. What else do I have? I have some Dior lip balm. I've been holding on to this for so long. It is empty, but I need to refill it. This smells so good, this lip glow. Love it, love it, love it. And it's very hydrating. So I definitely need to refill this, but it's pretty empty, but I'm just like using my finger to scrape some out and use it. I'm obsessed. But I've been trying out other products, so I haven't re-upped on this yet. I have another key fob in here. I just recently put that in there. I normally don't carry that, actually. I had to go move my husband's car. All right, this is my charger, my card charger for my phone. I keep that with me just in case I'm running low on juice. And then I have several lip products. I have a pen for my agenda cover, another Dior lip gloss product that I have recently run out of. I liked this a lot, but I wanted to try some Chanel, so I recently got these Chanel lip glosses. This is the moisturizing Glossimer, and this is actually the top coat. I got this, and then this is pretty pigmented for a gloss, so it's more of like a lipstick. So I also bought this, which is more clear, so if I want something sheer on my lips and have my lips moisturized, I have that option too. So yes, all of that fits in there. That's what I have in my bag. Now again, normally I have this strap here, and I also have this in my bag as well, so I'll just show you guys what that's like. I wrap it up like this and put it in there, and everything also still fits in there. Sometimes it falls to the bottom like that, and everything still fits in there, so I'll show you. The pocket agenda, I'll put my sunglasses, my keys. I don't actually normally have my sunglasses on top, but for the sake of me just getting through this, and then I'll have this in there. I don't have really any rhyme or reason to how I put this stuff in here normally, because it all just fits. You can throw all of these just right on the top, boom. And you can see, and normally I have this open because I like to reach into my pocket, reach into my handbag while I'm driving, or while I'm on the road, I should say, like when I'm parked or something. I like to be able to reach in and out of my handbag. And this all zips up, of course. Pretty much no issue. It all fits. It's not all, like, it all fits pretty good. There's no wonkiness. It's pretty cool. Like, that all fits. So, as you can see, even if I have the strap in there, all of this stuff fits. And I could play around with how I organize stuff in here, but I really never do, besides the fact that I usually have my sunglasses on the top. Let's get down in there. There's usually no rhyme or reason. And I usually have those on the top because I take them on and off. And, oh, I forgot this. But again, it all fits in there, as you can see. Now, there are those of you out there who prefer to have pouches for all of your stuff. And I will say, if you put a pouch in here, you can get everything in here, but the pouch takes up more space. It just does. And I feel like you can hold pretty much about the same, but it is not going to be the same. And what I mean by that is, like, it takes up more space to have a pouch. You can actually fit more in it. Like, look at that. And I've used this pouch in here before, so, you know, you can have more inside of it. Now, granted, all of this would be inside of the pouch. Let me just, if I put all of these lip glosses and maybe this is just a Dior pouch that I got. So the lip glosses and the fragrance are in here. I mean, you can put the key fob in there. There you go. You can put the charger in there. And then you put that in there with the wallet / agenda. Then you can put your phone right there. Now, granted, if you have a different kind of phone, you're going to have to do something different. I can just squeeze my kind of phone in there because of how it's shaped. But you see, you just have less space when you have a pouch in there. Like, you wouldn't be able to close this. So I actually like to just throw my stuff in there. I trust that it won't pop open. If it does, whatever, I don't know, I'll wipe it out. Even though this is a cloth interior, this is not a leather interior. So you don't really want to spill anything in there, but I just don't feel like anything will spill. But like I said, you can fit more in here if you do not have a pouch, and that's just the way it is. So actually, when I researched this bag and I knew that I wanted to get it, I actually got it with the idea that I would not use a pouch, because I could tell from other people using this bag that if you don't have a pouch, you can fit more in there, because everything else just falls in there, and boom. Like, again, no rhyme or reason to this, and you can still zip it up, which you really wouldn't be able to do. Zip it up, and the zipper's not even wonky, right? It fits perfectly. And you wouldn't be able to do that with a pouch. So that's just for you guys. Now, granted, a lot of you carry like the Louis Vuitton mini pochette, which is a different shape than this. This is a bit thick, but still, even with the pochette, just Having a pouch means that you're going to be able to carry the same amount, but you won't be able to close it. And if you're somebody who's carrying this around on a wet day, or if you're in a crowded place, you might want to be able to close your bag. So just keep that in mind. If you're in a place where you want to close your bag, you worried about maybe getting pickpocketed, or you just want that extra security, then don't bring the pouch, and you can fit more into the bag. All right, and this is how I normally carry it, because I like to be able to close my bag up. Even though most of the time I have it open like this, I still like the option of being able to close it. All right, and I still love this little bag. It is the perfect like mini tote. Again, as you can see, it fits all of my essentials that I would want or need to take with me on a regular daily basis. I don't need more than this. So if you're like me and you like to carry minimal stuff, then this bag is perfect. It's the perfect little BB. And now you see what is in my bag. And again, this is what's actually in my bag. This is not just for the purposes of showing you what fits inside, even though I brilliantly did that. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe if you like to see this kind of content. And be sure to check out my website, theluxeangel.com, because I post there the most frequently. I like to build up my own platform more than building up someone else's platform, which YouTube is. And also it's just easier for me to blog because I blog from an app and I can just do it right on my phone. So I post most of my content there. So if you want to see how I'm styling this little beauty or any of my other bags, or if you want to see the beauty products from Chanel and Dior that I'm buying recently, then all of that is going to be over on the blog, theluxeangel.com. So go ahead and check it out. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a gorgeous day. Bye.